In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually share your screen on Discord with audio. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, I'm going to make sure that my voice channel is actually created. As you can see, I have a voice channel right here. Now, if I want to actually share my screen, you would click this right here. Now you can screen share whatever screen you would like. So let's say I want to share this screen. I'll click that, and then you can also just make sure that the settings are to your liking and then click on Go Live. Now you're going to see that there is also stream settings where you can stop streaming, change windows, stream quality, and different things like that. But you're going to make sure that your screen is actually being shared. Now, for example, if you want your audio to actually be all out loud, what you can do is actually change your device settings. So for example, if I go to my user settings, I can click on voice and video. And as you can see, my voice activity is on. And if you want your audio to be out loud, you can actually change your device that you're listening on to something that can be close to your mic so that the screen share can actually show. And then there are also other different activities you can do on these settings. And that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.